today we got, last week we learned about how to understand direction, and now we will learn about how to give direction or asking for direction. Okay. Does this picture seem familiar? Maybe for you that already done the app. Now I will play the model conversation. Pay attention. Hello. Okay. Can please be quiet for a while? Okay. Okay. I will play it again. Yeah. Okay.
Listening, activity 3. Listen to the conversation again. Fill in the blanks with the names of places. Situation. A boy is new in the neighborhood. He wants to have some nice coffee. He's asking a girl for directions.
Excuse me, is there a cafe around here? How can I get there?
Sure. Just go down the street for 2 blocks. At the second intersection, turn right into Madison Street.
I go straight ahead and turn right into Madison Street. And then what?
Go straight. You'll find a cafe at the end of the first block, right across from Starbucks. It's on the corner of Madison Street and Spring Street. It's to the left of Starbucks.
Okay, got it. Thanks for your help.
No problem.
Okay. So, what do they do? What is the guy, the boy do? Asking for direction to the cafe. Okay. And then how the girl answer that? What is the girl doing in this conversation? Giving direction. Okay. So today we are going to learn how to asking for direction and giving direction, like what you heard in the audio. Yeah. But before you can giving direction, you must know how to locate a place. Yeah. Do the map seems familiar? Yeah, maybe for you that do the FM. So we are going to learn about locating a place. Yeah? Using these words: on, across, next to, on the corner of, at the end of, to the left or right, near, and between. So, is any of you can give me an example? Just based on this map. Anyone? the area or on the street. For example, the cinema is on Alden Street. Okay. Can you give me any more example? The bookshop is on bed. Yeah, bed. Yeah, that one. That's good. Yeah. Can you give me more example or not? Huh? Can you speak louder, please? It's okay. It's okay if you. Yeah. Chemist. Okay.
The chemist is on the very street.
The chemist
Is on the very street.
is on very street. Okay. Maybe for some of you, the chemist is a new kind of place, yeah? Is anyone know what the chemist means? Yes, apothec. Or you can say pharmacy. Yes. Yeah, it's depend on the dialect. Yeah? On the dialect. Chemist is usually used in Australia. Yeah. Because medicine is chemicals. Yes. Chemists deal with chemicals. Because anything else that you find it new? New places that you don't know what it means? Besides of chemist? News agents. News agents itu news agent is kantor berita. It's like BBC News, Sindo, kalau Sindo. News agent is like the place that they broadcast the news. Yeah, like TV One, Metro TV, yeah, it's a news agent. Or back in the day, news agent the place that produced newspaper, yeah, but we don't have newspaper anymore, yeah. We have online news. Okay. Now we move on to across. Yeah. Across is in Indonesia seberang. Yeah. For example, the cinema is across the toy shop. Yeah. Can you give me an example? Maybe the people on the back. Yeah. People on the back. Could you give me an example with across from? Yeah. Okay, for example, okay, the cinema is across from the
shop is across from music shop.
Okay. Okay. Now we talk about next to. And do you familiar with next to?
Yeah.
What is it? Sebelah, ya. For example, the clothes shop is next to the art gallery. Yeah. Can you give me an example for next to? Okay, one word. Raise your hand. Yeah. If you want to give an example, raise your hand. Raise your hand first, and then I will let you to talk. Yeah. Anyone can give me an example for next to?
The
Yeah.
picture shop is next to the supermarket.
Yes, it's good. Yeah. Next to. Anyone else? Yeah.
The news agent is next to the cinema.
Didn't you say it next to? Okay. We move on to on the corner of. Anyone knows what is meant on the corner? Corner itu di sudut ya, atau di pojokan. Indonesia ya. On the corner. For example. You see, the Fashion's restaurant is on the corner of Elder Street and Berry Street. Okay. Could anyone give me an example? But the new people, yeah. Maybe people in the second row, third row. Anyone? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay if you make mistake. We are studying here. Yeah. It's okay if you make mistake. Okay. Can you speak louder, please? Yeah. It's okay.
The art gallery is on the corner of Eldon Street and Bath Street.
The art gallery
Is on the corner
is on the corner
of Eldon Street, Eldon Street and Bath Street.
street and yeah. Okay. Okay. So far, and do you get it on the corner? Yeah, di pojokan, ya. And then at the end of it, it's usually di ujung jalan. Ya. For example, the supermarket is the news agent is in the end of Eldon Street. Ya. Nanti ujungnya. At the end. Sorry. The news agent is at the end of Eldon Street. Yeah. Usually, at the end is sometimes the building is at the end of the road. Like maybe you ever heard about bangunan tusuk sate? Yeah. Yeah, this one can be at the end. The street, the street, okay? And then this, to the left and to the right. Nah, I know some of you sometimes confuse left and right. Does any of you confuse right and left? Okay. In your point of shop is on the right of the art gallery. Ya, kanannya. And then near. What is near? So, for example, this one is not really across ya, but it's near. But it's not directly across ya. Not directly across, but the toy shop is near the cafe ya. Cafe. Okay. But it's still in the same area, so we can say it's near. Okay? And then between. What is between? Di antara ya. Okay. Could anyone give me an example of between? Hello. Hi. Yeah. Do you want to give me an example?
The cinema is between the cafe and news agents.
Okay, good. Anyone else want to give me example? Between? Yes. Sheryl?
The cloth shop is between the toy shop and art gallery.
Yes. The shop is between toy shop and art gallery. So, to check your understanding, we will play a game. Okay. Do you have your smartphone with you? Yes. No. So we will play Bluecat. So Bluecat is it's similar to Kahoot, yeah. Okay, remember first, yeah. Hello. So Bluecat is little similar to Kahoot, but you can steal your friends' points. For example, Aubrey get 500 points, yeah? And Hauga have 300 points. And there is a booster that can switch their points. Okay, I will share you the game board. Play.booksup.com. The game code is 36A1054. Okay. Okay. Just use your nickname.
Enggak ya, aku gak pernah tadi.
Okay. The game code.
May we go to bed?
Yes. Or you can scan the chat. The number is okay. I will send the link on the. No, play.bookcat.com.
Bagi ini keren.
I love knowledge. Kok bisa sih? Everyone already in? Yes. Anyone? Does anyone already join? Everyone join? Okay. How many students now? Do you guys ready? Yes. Okay. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. I will start the game. Select chair. Select balls. Take Yeah. Look at your phone. Yeah. There's a question. You can answer the question. Okay, if you answer it wrong, you can answer it again. Yeah? Nabila lead with Okay, 3 more minutes. Yeah. Make sure you have. Wow! Can get more points. What the? Anyone who wants to get 10 points? You can still. Yes. Oh my God.
Diam.
Wow, 100,000. Oh my god, last one.
Nomor 2.
Okay, 40 more seconds. Oh my goodness. Six, five, four, three, two, yeah.
Gimana tadi gue dicuri mulu.
Owen, price. Oke, so tadi gue 100.000 tadi paling guys. So for me to be easier to call your name, can you make name tag like this? Okay, I will. 93. Wow. Yes. Okay, how about the quiz? Guys. Yeah. Okay. What do you think about the quiz? Is it hard? Is it hard? Easy. Okay. So now you know how to. So now you know how to locate the place, yeah? Okay.
13.
Okay. For this competition, you can also see it on your book, page 18. Page 18, you can open your book, page 18, the student book, yeah? Okay. Now we are going to practice this conversation. Hello. Hi. We are going to practice this conversation. Okay. Yeah. We start it together. Yeah. Yeah. You can repeat after me. Excuse me, is there... I haven't finished. Excuse me, is there a cafe around here? How do I get there? Sure. Just go down to the street for 2 blocks. At the second intersection, turn right into Madison Street. So I go straight ahead and turn right into Madison Street. Then what? Go straight. You will find the cafe at the end of the first block, right across from Starbucks. It's on the corner of Madison Street and Spring Street. Okay, in your group there's more computation, but we cut it to the end. Okay, got it. Thanks for your help.
Okay, got it. Thanks for your help.
No problem. Okay, now we're gonna divide this class to 2, yeah. So, the one on the right side do the A, and your left side on the left side, your left do the B. From Aulia, and then Aulia, Rachel, and Sultan. To the right, you're doing the A, and then from Josie, Hawa, and Pande. To the left, you do the B. Okay. Now, excuse me. Okay, the A first. Yeah. Excuse me. Is there a cafe around here? How do I get there? Okay. The B. Sure. Yeah. Sure. Just go down the street
For 2 blocks.
and second
intersection, turn right into Madison Street.
Okay.
So I go straight ahead and turn right into Madison Street. And then what?
Go straight, you will find the cafe at the end of the first block, right across from Starbucks. It's on the corner of Madison Street and Spring Street.
Okay, got it. Thank you for your help.
Okay. So I will pick one of this side and one from this side. Okay. How about Aubrey and Kaisa? Yeah. Aubrey will be the A, Kaisa will be the B. Okay. Yes, you can start. Yes?
Sure, everyone have a done the street for 2 blocks at the second intersection, turn right into Madison Street.
So I'll go straight ahead and turn right into Madison Street.
And then what? Go straight, you will find the cafe at the end of the first block, right across from Starbucks. It's on the corner of Madison Street and Spring Street.
Okay, got it. Thanks for your help.
No problem.
Okay. So here you can see when we giving direction to other people, we don't do it in one sentence. Jangan langsung ya. confusing. So let the asker confirm the location. Yeah. Like, yeah, go straight to block on the entrance into Madison Street, and then the asker, the one that asks direction, will confirm. Yeah. So I go straight ahead and turn to Madison Street. Yeah. And then what? You ask again, and then you tell them the rest of the direction. Okay? Do you get it? Now close the book. Okay, close the book. Okay. We do it together, yeah? Okay. So, excuse me. How do I get there? There? And then what? Yeah. And then what? You have to see it together. Go straight.
It's on the corner of Madison Street and Spring Street.
Okay, got it. Thanks for your help.
Yeah, thank you or thanks for your help. And then?
No problem.
No problem. Okay. We're gonna make it more challenging. We have clues, yeah? Okay. So, how about we pick someone? Okay? Okay. Owen, yeah? Owen and the boy Dimi. Okay, Owen will be the A and Dimi will be the B. Okay. Okay.
Excuse me, is there a cafe around here? How do I get there?
Dimi.
Sure. Yes.
Okay, there's clue. Yes. Go. Straight.
For 2 blocks at the second intersection, turn right into Madison Street.
Okay. Then Owen.
So, I go straight and turn right into Madison Street. And then what?
Go straight. You will find the cafe at the end
Yeah. And
of the first block, right.
okay, it's double cross. Yeah. It's a double cross.
Right across
Cross the star there. It's
at the corner
corner.
of the Madison Street and Spring Street.
Okay. And then Owen.
Okay, got it. Thanks for your help.
No problem.
Okay. Who wants to volunteer? It's okay. It's okay if you make a mistake. Who wants to volunteer? Okay. What about we do like what we did before? This side is A. This side is B. Okay. Okay. A.
Excuse me,
B.
Just go down the street for 2 blocks. At the second intersection, turn right onto Madison Street.
So
I go straight ahead and turn right into Madison Street, and then what? Go straight through find the back at the end of the first block, right across from
we're going to use the same expression, the same sentence. Okay. Okay, let's find out it first, yeah. So, where do we want to go? Hospital. Yeah. Go down to Mango Street. It's across the. Okay. You can do park. You can do playground, yeah. Playground. Okay. So let's build the conversations. Yeah. Okay. First, excuse me. Can you give? Is there any hospital around here? How do I get there? Yes, there is a hospital. You need to go down to Mango Street. So I go down to Mango Street. Then what? You just need to cross the street. You just need to follow the street, and then the hospital is across the playground. Okay, so we will make the conversation like that. Okay. Okay. So. What do you think? Are we gonna? Huh? Library? Oh, you can do library. You can do. Okay. Okay. Library. And then how do we get there? Turn left or right. Turn left. On. What's that? Stop sign. Stop sign. No. Traffic light. Stop sign. Yes, I know. Some Sundanese may call it stopan, ya. Jadi the one from Bandung, ya, we will say stopan, ya. But it's not stop sign, it's traffic light, ya. Yes. In some region, they call traffic light as stopan, ya. But it's not stop sign, ya. Okay, traffic light to Apple Street. And the library is next to the school. Okay, let's practice with the sentence. Excuse me. Is there a library around here? And then how? How do I get there? And then, yes, there's a library around here, yeah? And then we separate the first direction and the second direction. So, you say it first. You just need to turn left at the traffic light, and then go to Apple Street. The library is up on the Apple Street next to the school. Okay, let's make it to the conversation. Okay, excuse me. Is there any library around here? Okay, so this side will be the one that asking direction, and this side will be the one that giving direction. Okay. Okay, first asking direction.
Excuse me, is there a library
library ready,
Turn
you need to turn
left
on the traffic light
to Apple
to Apple Street.
Street.
And then confirming. So
Oh, I turn left on the traffic light.
yeah, so I turn it on traffic light to the Apple Street. And then what? Finish. And then the library is on Apple Street. That's next to the school. And then
Oh,
thank you. And then no problem. Or you can say you welcome. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now we switch. Yeah. The one in this side is asking for direction, and the one with this side is giving direction. Okay. Okay. Start it. This side.
Excuse me, is there a library around here?
Oh yeah. Yeah. This side. Yeah. Okay. The one that's giving direction. Go. Excuse me. Asking direction. Excuse me. How do I get there? Then? Yes, there is a library around here. You need to turn
left on the traffic light to Apple Street.
to Apple Street.
So I turn left on the traffic light to Apple Street.
And then what?
Okay, I got it.
Thank you.
Thank you. No problem. Okay. The next. So it's the direction. Okay, let's decode it first, yeah? So, what are we looking for? A bag. And then? Horse statue. And after the horse statue, we turn?
Right.
To?
Right.
To Ninth Avenue. The bag is?
Hotel.
Between
Hotel and police station.
hotel and
Police station.
police station. Okay. So now we decide asking for direction. Decide giving direction. Okay? Start.
Excuse me, is there a bank here? How do I get there?
Yes, there is a bank around.
Around here.
Turn right on station
On to Ninth Avenue. Yeah. Okay, confirming? Confirming. So, okay, we start over, yeah? We start over from the beginning. Pay attention, yeah? Okay. Excuse me?
Yes,
Yes, bank around here.
Turn left, turn right on the
On the
horse statue to
Ninth Avenue.
Avenue.
So I turn right to the horse statue.
Ninth
then what? Yes.
And then what? Continue the direction.
The bank is
And police station. Okay, I think everyone got it. So now you gonna do it on your own. Choose your partner. Group of three. Okay. Three. 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 Four. Three. Either three or two. Okay, three. Okay, two. Okay, pick your partner. Yeah. Iya, makanya gue waktu. Gue waktu ya. Hah? Okay. Okay, group of three. Okay. 2, 3. Okay, how many of you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 21. Kalau 21 is an odd number. We can divide it into 2. So we divide it into 3, okay? 2.5. 3. 3. 3.
One group has 3 people.
One of you. 3. 3. Why? Okay, I will give you a reason why you need to be on a group of 3, okay? Because you have to go. Okay? 3. 3. 2. Okay. Who wants to be in a group of 3? Okay, I let you do the group in the group of 2, but I will change the rule, yeah. Okay, group of 2, okay? Yes. Okay, find your partner. I give you 1 minute. Do you want to? Yeah. Yeah, you can do that. But one group will be group of 3, yeah? Who wants to be the group of 3? Yeah? Sultan, do you want to be group of 3? Or Dimi will be on the group of 3? And Pandey and Sultan in the group of 3? Yeah.
That's not deal lah.
Okay. Pandey?
Oh, Pandey here, 3.
Yeah. Okay, so Pandey, Sultan, and Ken will be on the group of 3. Also Dimi, Oswald, and Rafi. Yeah. Rafi. So, one of the group members, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, I will give you the card. Raise your hand first. Yeah. I will. Okay. of the prince, yeah? Yeah, Russian. Okay. Every group already have their cards? Yeah. Then Nabila, can you give it to Kani? Yeah. To give me first. Okay, yeah. Okay. So, because we do in the group or of two, yeah. You can open your book, page 19. Yeah. Open your book, page 19.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. You can find the expression in the page 19. Okay. I want you to make a conversation based on the cards that you get. Okay? So, for example, okay. What's your name? Alima. Oh, okay. Okay, for example, yeah, this is for example for me and Alima. So Alima will ask me is there any music shop around here, yeah? And then I will say, is there any chemist around here? Yeah. So this one on the bottom is your destination. The one on the top is your starting point. Okay? You. Hello. Okay. Okay. So, for example, can you ask me?
Excuse me, is there a chemist around here?
Yes, there's chemists around here. You need to go straight from Bass Street to Eldon Street. You go straight to Bass Street and turn right to Eldon Street. And then you confirm. Straight to Bass Street to Eldon Street. And after you get to Eldon Street, you go straight ahead and turn right to Berry Street. The chemist is at the end of the road. Thank you. Okay, you're welcome, or no problem, or don't mention it. So you find the expression on the book, yeah? Okay. 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 I will give you 3 minutes to make the conversation. And then I will pick a random book. And you take turns, yeah? For example, Alima become the one that asks direction, and then Alan who giving direction. And you can take turns. Alan giving direction, and Alima the one that asking direction. Okay. So, yeah. Don't be careful, it's just a practice, yeah? Yes, you practice this. do, I will take your attendance here, yeah. So you. Ya, kita already sempat. Using the expression on your book, yeah? Yeah.
Ya tulis gimana Lorenz yang book?
No, if we should
Gimana?
ganti-gantian aja. Okay, so because you are in a group of three, you have to take turns. So first, Reinhard, Andre, Owen, you need to make sure that they give your direction. For example, tiba-tiba dia bilang belok ke sini, kan salah ya. Jadi use the expression in the book to make something like this, ya. You can get closer. Nearby. The word is nearby.
And then what? I just break a head on the street and then what?
on your kan begini kan
On the street.
street or on your jadi begini Where's the sentence? So you can give Look at me. Okay. In case you are confused, yeah, Alden Street is right here, yeah. This is Alden Street. Alden Street. Alden Street. So the supermarket is on Alma Street, yeah. The supermarket and the cafe is on Alma Street. And then the bag, the bookshop and the music shop is on Back Street. Yeah. Do everyone already have their turn? Where's the attendance? So let's make it more interesting, yeah. So I will, guys. Guys, I will call your name, and then you will go to in front of the class. Okay? I will call it randomly, and then you will pick the card. The card is contain your starting point and the finish line. Okay? Yeah. And for the rest of you that don't come to the front of the class, you need to rate your friend's performance. Okay? So, yeah. Per person, yeah? Yeah. Take two and go give it to your friend. Take two and give it to your friend. Okay, I mean everyone take one, yeah, and give from your friends, yeah. Give it for your friends. Okay. So. Okay, so I need you to rate your friends in scale of 1 to 5. Rate by, there's a direction. Direction is either your friends give the right direction. Nanti malah nyasar gitu, kalau nyasar kan, make sure your friends not lost ya. And then the performance, you rate either your friend's performance is good or not. Yeah. Okay, leave it. It's okay, it's okay. Okay. I will call your name and you will go to front of the class. Nisa and Alan. Okay? Go to the front of the class. Okay, keep it close to Nisa and Alan, yeah? Okay, Nisa and Alan. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Alan and Nisa. Okay, this is random ya. Jadi it's not you are not gonna go forward with your own group, but your different group ya. Nisa? Who wants to giving direction and acting direction? Okay, with from Professor. Okay. So you will pick the card. There's a number. You can pick your lucky number. Just any number. What? What you get? Okay. Just do it. Sorry, yeah. Who is asking for direction? Nisa. Okay. Okay. Guys, pay attention to Nisa and Alan. Okay. Okay. You can start. Okay. Yeah. Can you speak louder? Yeah. Guys, can you hear Nisa? No. No. Nisa, please speak louder. Yeah. Yeah, there's a map behind you, yeah? Or you can use this map, yeah? Yes, you can use this map, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Practice saja, yeah?
From the other street, you turn
Okay, guys, pay attention.
into Elden Street. From the Elm Street, you can turn left into Elden Street. You go straight on Elden Street, then go right into Berry Street. At the end of the Berry Street, you can find Camus next to the fast food restaurant.
Yeah. And then you say thank you. Yeah. Thank you and
No problem.
no problem. Okay. Give applause to your friends. Okay. Now the boys, yeah. The boys. Okay. Oswald and Leonard. Okay. Come forward. Oswald and Leonard. Oswald. Okay, Ellen, you don't need to write yours, yeah? You can, if you go to the forum, you don't need to write yourself, yeah? Okay. Okay. Who wants to giving the response? Okay. Take a card. Okay. No, take this card. So it will random, yeah? What's your lucky number? 9. Okay. Mati juga? Mati juga? Ya? Yeah. It's your lucky day, berarti ya? It's your lucky day. Do you need a map? Okay. Guys. Pay attention.
Go straight on Bath Street and then turn right to Eldon Street. Go straight on Bath Street, and then turn left to on Eldon Street.
Yeah. You confirm. Yeah. You just need to say what he said before. Ya. Ulangin aja.
Go to the
Yeah. What? Okay. We start over. Can you give the direction again?
So
Yeah. Listen to the direction.
you go straight
Yeah. You don't need to read this. Yeah.
on Bath Street and then turn left on Eldon Street.
Go to the best street and turn
Turn
Right,
left.
turn right.
where the cinema.
The cinema
Oh,
is
no, me. Okay. So you go from store to the cinema, yeah? So you get on the store and you ask him, do you know any cinema around here? Yeah. Excuse me, is there any cinema around here? Yeah. Okay, guys.
yes, there is.
Yeah, you don't need to look at the map. You need to listen to it. Yeah.
Yes, there is. Go straight on Bath Street and then turn right on Eldon Street.
So
Go to the back street and turn right to
Alden,
street and where the cinema.
and then what? Yeah.
And then what?
The cinema is on Eldon Street and between the cafe and News Agents.
The cinema is Thank you for your help. Eh?
No problem.
No problem. Okay. So, the girls, yeah. Good job. Good job. Okay. Hawa and Michelle. Oh yeah, yeah, just Michelle, yeah. Okay. Who will asking for direction? So you giving the direction. Okay, pick a card. Any card. Wait. Do you? So the one that are taken is number 5 and number 9. There's number 1 to 12.
I want to
2.
because my class is 2.
Because your brother known 2. Okay. Number 2. Okay. So you are giving the direction. So, where are you? Okay, she's in the back, yeah? So you ask her, yeah? Okay. You can start. Guys, pay attention to Michelle, yeah? How about that?
First, excuse me, is there a bug around here?
Yeah. Oh, you ask for the agent. You are in the back. You ask for the
Excuse me, is there a news agents around here? How I get there?
There's a news agent around here. Just go down Wall Street, then turn right to Allen Street.
Oh, and then what?
And then go straight ahead at Allen Street. The news agent is at the end of the Allen Street. It's on your left.
Okay, thank you for helping me.
Okay. So, yeah. Okay. So, there's the last performance for today. Yeah. So, now, what did we learn today? Giving direction and asking for direction. To start asking for direction, what do we say? Excuse me, yeah. Be polite, yeah. Excuse me. And how do I get there? And then what? And then you answer for the direction. After you get the first part of direction, you confirm it again, yeah. You confirm. Yeah. And then one, yeah, you confirm. And then the one that give direction, give the rest of direction. And then after you got all of the direction to that place,
Thank you.
you say
Thank you.
thank you. And then
No problem.
no problem, you're welcome. Sure, don't mention it. So thank you for attending today. Yeah. I hope you can practice this at home. Yeah. You can collect the maps, the cards on my desk. Yeah. And now you can go home. Thank you for all your attention. Yeah.
Yeah.